Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the GPX file and opening Google My Maps in a desktop browser. First, make sure you are signed into the Google account you intend to save the route to. This prevents permission headaches later. Next, click Create a new map. This gives you an editable layer where you'll import the GPX. Once done, prepare to add a new layer and choose Import, because My Maps handles GPX within a layer import workflow. Now you import the GPX. Click Add Layer, then Import, and pick your GPX from your computer or Google Drive. You may be asked to map fields, choose coordinates for location data, and the track option for route lines. My Maps reads waypoints, routes, and tracks differently, so make sure you select the data that matches your file structure. This ensures lines instead of separated points. After upload, give the layer a clear name so you can toggle. To finish, style the track and markers so your route reads clearly. Use color and line width options. Then save the map and click Share to make it private, public, or shared with specific people. This controls access for navigation. If you need turn-by-turn, export as KML and open in Google Maps or use the shared link on mobile. If the import fails, convert the GPX to KML or simplify the GPX by removing overly dense points. Then retry the import to resolve issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.